Hey everyone, welcome back to Melt Mode. Today, I've got something super special for you. A low-impact home workout designed specifically for overweight beginners right here in the UK. But honestly, it works anywhere. No jumping, no complicated moves, and no equipment needed. Just you, some space, and a big smile. Ready? Let's go. This workout is gentle on your joints, perfect if you're just starting your fitness journey or getting back into exercise after a break. We'll move at a steady pace, so you'll feel challenged but never overwhelmed. And by the end, you'll feel amazing. All right, first we'll warm up those muscles so we avoid any injury. Let's start with 1. Marching in place. Keep it slow. Lift your knees comfortably. Shoulder rolls, forward and back, nice and easy. Side steps. Just step side to side, swing your arms gently. We'll do 6 exercises, 40 seconds each with a 20-second rest. Step touch with arm reach. Step to the side, reach your arms forward. Standing knee lifts. Bring your knees up, one at a time, hands on hips or reaching forward. Side leg lifts. Lift one leg out to the side, switch after 20 seconds. Seated march, optional for beginners who need less impact. Sit on a sturdy chair, march your legs up and down. Wall push-ups, hands on the wall, bend elbows, and push back. Slow standing twists, hands on hips. Gently rotate your torso side to side. Great work, let's cool down. Next stretch, ear to shoulder. Hold each side. Shoulder stretch, arm across your body, gentle pull. Quad stretch, hold your ankle behind you. Switch sides. You did it! That's your low-impact home workout complete. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every day. If you enjoyed this session, hit the like button, subscribe to Melt Mode, and share this with someone who's just starting their fitness journey. See you in the next workout. And until then, keep moving, keep smiling.